In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the transport fuse in the SP-401S. The fuse must be replaced when the lamp does not activate, loses power, or the status LED does not respond. A damaged or loose fuse interrupts the power supply and prevents the LED module from operating. Replacing the fuse restores proper electrical continuity and ensures reliable performance of the lighting unit. To perform this procedure correctly, you will need a few specific tools. Using the proper tools ensures safe handling and prevents damage to the lamp components. Hex key 4 mm. Flathead screwdriver. Always tighten the screws to the specified torque values. All torque values can be found in the maintenance manual. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4 mm hex key to unscrew the 4 5x10 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. A damaged fuse can be identified during a simple visual inspection. The internal wire inside the glass tube will be broken or disconnected. You may also see dark burn marks or black residue inside the fuse. A blown fuse cannot conduct power and completely interrupts the electrical circuit. When the fuse is damaged, the lighting unit will not activate. In contrast, a new fuse has a clean glass body and an intact, continuous wire. Replacing the damaged fuse with a new one restores the power supply to the lamp. The fuses used are available worldwide. Place the lighting unit safely on its side to access the fuse on the bottom surface. Locate the black transport fuse on the lower housing. Use a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the fuse holder counterclockwise and remove it from the lamp. Pull out the old fuse from the holder. Insert the new spare transport fuse into the fuse holder. Insert the holder back into the socket and tighten it clockwise until firm resistance is felt. Return the lamp to its normal upright position. Press the emergency switch twice to confirm that the unit activates correctly. Press the emergency button 4 times to turn off the lamp. If the lighting unit still does not illuminate after the transport fuse is replaced, please refer to the video, SP-401S, How to Check PCB Issues, for additional guidance. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4 5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. For more information about replacing the fuse, please refer to the SP-401S maintenance manual.